Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instruction sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 2 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter the material prices on 3 cost workup sheets. Example item 2.1.05 Temptation to modify sheets. Skilled Excel users will be tempted to make changes to the sheets. Changes to all 174 cost workup sheets will usually apply only when the change is at or above row 26 and when a column is added or changed. The column format is universal in all 9 cost workup sheet formats. The rows vary for the 9 cost workup sheet formats, but the rows are the same for all sheets with the same format. If you can't resist, before you make any change to any cost workup sheet, first group all the appropriate cost workup sheets. Use the macros that group cost workup sheets by format or by section. When appropriate, group all 174 cost workup sheets. In the macros list, find the names that start GROUPWS. Pick the appropriate macro and run it. View the macro list with the key sequence, alternate WMV or alternate F8. Another problem that may result from making a change is the impact it may have on the many formulae throughout the application. After the change, if you find #value hashtag and #name errors on a sheet, correct the formula, range name, or calculation error. This example 2.1.05 is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 2.1.06.